Mickey Mouse Clubhouse set. This set is so awesome. You can mix and match and create your own design. Let's go create some. Okay, the set is sold out and it comes with so many parts. We have Goofy and Mickey, and this is the engine. It's blue, red, orange, and green. These are all the wheels it comes with. There's orange, green, yellow, blue, and purple wheels. And all these extra accessories. Alright, let's start building. Let's start off with this wheel. It has the Mickey Mouse symbol. We're gonna set it right here and snap it on. Now let's try this blue wheel. Oh look, it's the shape of a donut. Yummy. Okay, we snap it on. Over here we need 2 more wheels. Let's try this purple one. This looks like a carriage wheel. Let's try this green one. It looks like a yummy pie. Okay, all the wheels are set. Why don't we add these 2 arms on each side? We'll add one right here. Snap it on. And then the other one on this side. Look at how cool. What can we add right here? Well, why don't we try this flag? There we go. Alright, the engine's all ready. Do you want to hop on, Mickey?
Oh boy, I'd love to.
Okay, now let's wind it up. Off you go, Mickey. Oh, look, Mickey, your friends came to see your new engine. We have Goofy, Donald, Minnie. I have an idea, Mickey. Now that all your friends are here, why don't we go bowling? We have 5 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Colors yellow, green, orange, blue, and red. First up is Mickey. Wow, Mickey, great job. You got all 5 of them. Next up is Donald. Whoa, Donald, you got 2. It's your turn, Minnie. Great job, Minnie. You got 3. Are you ready, Goofy? Nice one, Goofy. You got all 5 of them. We have a tie. Mickey and Goofy are the winners. Yay! Yes, Goofy? Do you want to ride the engine too? We're gonna make a new build for Goofy. Let's put this yellow one right here. We're gonna add this purple one. Let's set the orange wheel at this spot. Our last wheel is the shape of a lid. On this spot, we're gonna set this propeller. Your engine's all ready, Goofy. Let's take it for a spin. Whoa, that was so much fun how it spins. If we add this part to the front right here, we can push obstacles out of the way. Okay, let's try it out. Oh, that's so cool. Now let's see if you can move all this stuff out of the way, Goofy. Are you ready? Oh, it does work. Okay guys, that's it for today. I had so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.